The Wonky Donkey. You may have heard of this book already. It was uh, written a long time ago, and then there was a grandma who read it to her grandchildren, and it just went viral after that. So after I heard her read it, I just had to get my own copy and share it with you. It's called The Wonky Donkey. Here we go. The Wonky Donkey. It's just even fun to say, isn't it? I was walking down the road and I saw. That glare was a little much there, wasn't it? A donkey. Hey, aw. And he only had three legs. He was a wonky donkey. He was a happy one though, wasn't he? I was walking down the road. I saw a donkey. Eh, aw. He only had three legs and one eye. He was a winky wonky donkey. Because one eye. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. Aw. He only had three legs, one eye, and he listened to country music. He was a honky tonky winky wonky donkey. Now that's just fun to read, isn't it? I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. Aw. He only had three legs, one eye. He liked to listen to country music, and he was quite tall and slim. He was a lanky honky tonky winky wonky donkey. I love that. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. Oh, I love when you join me. He only had three legs, one eye. He liked to listen to country music. He was quite tall, and he was quite tall and slim, and he smelt really, really bad. He was a stinky dinky lanky honky tonky winky wonky donkey. Oh, oh, you! I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. Aw. He only had three legs, one eye. He liked to listen to country music. He was quite tall and slim. He smelt really, really bad. And that morning, he got up early and hadn't had any coffee. Now, that would be quite a catastrophe, wouldn't it, for Mrs. Treeley? He was a cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky, honky, winky, wonky donkey. Yeah, I get pretty cranky too if I don't have my coffee, so I can appreciate his mood. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. Aw, he only had three legs, one eye. He liked to listen to country music. He was quite tall and slim. He smelt really, really bad. That morning, he'd got up early and hadn't any coffee. And he was getting up. He was always getting up to mischief. Now, mischief is when you're doing things you probably shouldn't be doing. Maybe he was being a little naughty. He was you ready? Hanky panky, cranky, stinky dinky, lanky honky tonky, winky wonky donkey. But look at that. That's what he was doing for his mischief. He was biting clothes on the line. Oh, I'd be angry if somebody did that to my fresh, clean laundry. It's not all. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. Aw. He only had 3 legs, 1 eye. He liked to listen to country music. He was quite tall and slim. He smelled really, really bad. That morning, he got up early and hadn't had any coffee. He was always getting into mischief, but he was quite good looking. He was a spunky, spunky, hanky, panky, cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky, tonky, winky, wonky, donkey. I love those glasses, man. Those are awesome. I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey. Oh, oh, oh my gosh, I love that book. This was written by Craig Smith and Kat Cowley drew the pictures. And this book is called The Wonky Donkey. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Have a great day, my friends.